Flexible Mind from October 25th, 2021. You are a bird of least concern, the bird-brained say. Forages anywhere with water, ponds, parks, marshes, reservoirs, lakes, ditches, salt marshes. You are a garbage bird, they want to say. Exist on pond weeds and sedges, eelgrass in brackish waters, even gravel when they cut up 801 stomachs. And yet the October raft grows. It is a city of coots, awkward and angling for a safe harbor, as we all are, before the next bomb cyclone. The coot in Indra's raft may be eating Puyallup widgeon grass and the occasional dragonfly. Look in their one red eye, bill full of eelgrass, for your mudhead Dharma transmission.